How did your husband react when you told him you were pregnant? My wife and I had been trying for nearly a year when she took another pregnancy test, as had become routine. She came out holding it, asking, "Does that look like a line to you?" It was faint, but it was there. We were ecstatic. I ran out to buy a better test, and when that confirmed it, we nicknamed our baby Tortellini. For 9 days, we lived in pure joy. Then, on December 22, I woke from a nightmare that my wife had miscarried. I don't believe in omens, but that morning, she found blood. The doctor confirmed our worst fear. We lost our child. Grief hit us differently. I wrote Tortellini a letter and tucked it away with the positive tests in my sock drawer. My wife coped by collecting children's books, filling a bookshelf in the room we had planned as the nursery. When her doctor gave the green light, we decided to try again, expecting another long wait. But suddenly my wife held up another test, pregnant. I looked up from my book and said, "So soon." I wasn't ready to celebrate. Fear overshadowed excitement. I avoided touching her stomach, afraid of getting attached only to face heartbreak again. But hope doesn't cause loss, and joy doesn't erase grief. We've now passed 7 weeks, further than before. We call this one Linguini. Our first appointment is Thursday. My wife jokes about twins. I just pray for a healthy baby.